Welcome to TRS Clips, the channel that we hope is like a brain workout for you. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट ना, ये जो माइक्रो चीटिंग की
Yes,
बातें चलती है
yes.
आजकल,
Yes, of course.
माइक्रो चीटिंग इज अ थिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ, कहते कि देखो चीटिंग शब्द को लेकर एक नजरिया है कि आपने किसी और के साथ फिजिकल इंटीमेसी करी, बट द ट्रूथ इज any kind of tiny emotional intimacy, even intellectual intimacy can be counted as micro cheating.
Yes.
तो हर किसी के लिए माइक्रो चीटिंग का डेफिनेशन अलग होता है, बट द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डिलीटिंग मैसेजेस और द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डिलीटिंग कॉल्स और व्हाटएवर, दैट इज माइक्रो चीटिंग.
Yes.
तो आपने ऐसे केसेस देखे?
Yes, but the justification, you know what they give? It's just a feel-good factor.
मतलब
Feel-good factor. जो micro cheating आप बोल रहे हो, जो I've seen this lot during COVID. Can I tell you that?
Yeah.
During COVID, there was a lot of these online affairs that took place.
just online.
People have not met each other. They have not seen, they have not spent time. Started with discovering each other either on one of those social media, then texting and finding out what do you do, what I do, and all those things which are there. Now, these online affairs, is it micro cheating with your husband? Or is it, full blown cheating? Or is it okay? It's something that keeps somebody occupied because mein kare kya? There was that phase when you could not go out, you could not do a lot of things and things like that. So during that period, I had a lot of these cases where people came to me with these kind of, they were frivolous, they were short-lived. Some did grow into serious, and probably some of them met. Like once the ban on the travel was over, the person came down or things like that. All these things did happen. So I do not know whether these micro cheating is healthy for the relationship, or no, I'm being honest, or it is disastrous, or it will destroy the relationship.
Is there any case where it's healthy?
It's healthy so long as it's not. Now, okay, before I answer that question, I'll give you one thing. What is more serious, a one-night stand with a person, or an emotional equilibrium or equation with some other person for a period of time? They've not even touched each other. Whilst on the other hand, there's a person has sex intimacy with that person. Why would that be considered as a bigger, reason for the breakup, as compared to an emotional infidelity, which has been happening, where there is, there's no touching of each other. There's nothing which is physical, but emotionally you are so committed to each other.
दोनों ही बुरे हैं.
दोनों ही बुरे. That's what I'm saying. So what is the lesser of the evil is what you will have to choose if you have to go on in a, making your marriages work.
How many percentages of marriages involve some kind of cheating according to you?
I think it's going to be a very dynamic statement I'm making, but I would say 60-70%. And shades of cheating, okay, Ranveer? Shades of cheating.
दोनों मर्द और
हाँ, दोनों में है. Nobody will acknowledge it. They may find it very blasphemous, what I'm saying.
But मतलब you have the right to say
yes,
it.
I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it.
Wow.
Why not? I mean, these are the things you have to accept it. It's कितना आप, how much can you gloss over it? कितना आप, चलो ठीक है, होता है. We have larger issues to deal with and we have larger goals to achieve.
एक अजीब सा सवाल है, जब आप ये कह रहे हो ना मैं लेट 30s और 40s के लोगों को ज़्यादा विजुलाइज कर रहा हूँ, तो अक्सर दोनों बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स यंगर लोगों को
partners, do they choose younger partners? Age is not what it is, though. I mean, maybe yes, because if you have the lust as a factor to get into a relationship, you want a hot thing which is young and whatever you call it. But if you are wanting to have something, a long sustained physical relationship which is outside marriage, not because you're happy or unhappy. There are men who are happy in both places. They have a great rocking relationship outside and also with their wives. It's not that they're depriving their wife. So the wife will not even know that such a thing is happening. Because my husband is nice. When he travels, then he comes back. The same night he's intimate with me. He takes care of me. He whatever. सब बिल्कुल चल रहा है. बाहर ये भी चल रहा है.
वाइफ को पता?
Initially नहीं पता था. जब पता होता है तो then she's completely destroyed, na?
Can I ask
and then he says, the justification, what have I done wrong to you? आपको क्या कमी रही relationship में because of my involvement outside? Did I care for you less? Did I provide you less? Did I give you less joy? Did we share less holidays or less times together? Family functions, ye wo. Kya hua hai? Did I even deprive you of sex? What is the answer? You tell me. What would be the answer if a person asks such a question? Nahi hua hai. Then what is wrong about it? Conceptually, fidelity is the basis of the essence of the relationship.
I'm sorry, I'm going back to this racy topic. ठीक है, but this is
Sorry, I know it's a little heavy what I'm talking about.
No, it's phenomenal. Like I think ये सच्चाई को दुनिया के सामने पेश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I'll tell you where this is coming from also. I actually, long ago, I had a friend. She was much younger. It's not about me at all.
Okay.
ये उनकी लाइफ की कहानी है.
We are taking an example.
वो कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग लिखेंगे हाँ फ्रेंड ना,
मालूम
like सच में जस्ट दोस्त
Yeah.
थी. तो शी वाज, I'll be very honest here, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये जो किंग्स, S&M, ये सारे जो जोन्स है फिजिकल इंटीमेसी में, अब एक बहुत नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशनल टॉपिक भी है. पीपल प्रैक्टिस इट ऑल्सो. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, वो किसी को डेट कर रही थी, उसका एक बॉयफ्रेंड था, एंड दे डिसाइडेड टू एंगेज इन समथिंग एक्सपेरिमेंटल, जहाँ उन्होंने अपने अजनबी देखी है, अक्षय कुमार, बॉबी देओल, वो एक्चुअली किया किसी और बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ. अभी इस लड़की का जो बॉयफ्रेंड था, उसे नर्वसनेस फील हुआ. ही डिडंट डू एनीथिंग, बट दे डिड इट इन द सेम हाउस. बट ये जो लड़की है वो, शी एंगेज्ड विद द गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड स्वैपिंग, एंड पोस्ट दैट उनकी रिलेशनशिप पूरी तरह से डिटीरियोरेट हो गई.
Correct.
अभी ये दोनों तो, इनकी शादी भी नहीं हुई थी, you know, they were just dating. But I assume that this must be a reality of modern day India.
Yes, it is.
कि experimentation से शुरुआत होती है, oh let's spice up our lives, and then it leads to something like divorce.
Yeah, it leads to not even the relationship continuing for long. Because ये जो kings होते हैं, या जिसको कहते हैं कि these are short term joys or things, thrills that you get, they are not long lasting. So that's why I'm saying, they need, I mean, I always believe that every couple who wants to get married, the intending couple as they call it, should go through some kind of a chat with a psychologist or a counselor. It's a must. Don't only think about your finances and arranging your finances prior to marriage. Try and arrange how your relationship needs to be sort of gone into, and what are the things that you need to. And then either it could be a family person who is wise enough to give that. It could be a professional. I know it's going to be very, very transactional. Kaisa hua tha aise karo, aise hua to aisa karo. But some guidelines if you get, then that will help you.
ऐसे cases देखे आपने?
So not really, not many people go for this. But a lot of couples I'm seeing nowadays are coming out openly in understanding each other's health backgrounds, in each other's family backgrounds, in terms of disease, in terms of divorces, breakups, etc., and in terms of the mental health issues, if any, the person has gone through, to be able to deal with it. इतना तो होता ही है.
Thank you for consuming this clip, दोस्तों. अगर ऐसे ही और clips explore करने हैं तो इस चैनल के playlists को ज़रूर explore करना.